Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working for your HONOR Earbuds to Lite. Firstly, maybe the problem is that your earbud just discharged. So try to put, let's say you have the problem with the right one, try to put this earbud to the charging case, and then you can close the case. Maybe you have also your case discharged. And then check, is it fixed? You can use the application. Right here we have battery level for the left and right earbuds, so you can check it here. Next step needs to perform a soft reset. To perform soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. You can check it if you want to check it. You can go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and if you have stock Android, it will move from media devices to safe devices. But it depends on Android. If you have iOS near to your earbuds, you will see the information not connected or connected. On Realme, let's say you have the information under your earbuds, in use when it's connected, and just empty space when it's disconnected. So maybe you have the similar path to check it. And after that, just open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. If you have this problem, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and your earbuds should reconnect to your phone. Now check. If the software reset didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. But this time, do not close the case. If you close it, just open it. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold connectional button until the LED light on the front side flashes red. So press and hold. Firstly start blinking white, it's okay, just enter to pairing mode, so don't worry. Just keep holding this button. And now we have the red LED light, so you can release your finger. And now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget button or Forget Device button or Remove or Unpair, it depends on the phone. And Forget Device. Then, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and by the way, we know it by the LED light or blinking white. And you need to tap at your earbuds and click Pair. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!